Greeting course mates, my name is Michael Brown. I have been attending the CBU online ops program for just over a year now, and I have roughly a year to go. I'm hopefully will be graduating in the spring graduation ceremony next year, fingers crossed. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area, and it is just me and my dog Noah, who you see there in the second picture. He is my best friend, and basically every weekend we are either going camping or hiking or going to the beach, weather permitting. Sometimes in the winter we'll just go off and get a cabin, just the two of us, and kind of hole up somewhere with no cell phone service just to unplug. I've also been working for a couple years now for a project that was launched by AAA car insurance called Gig Car Share. We are a car share service that is currently offered in the San Francisco Bay Area. We have about 500 Toyota Priuses that are parked out in the street, available for members to start and end their rental simply by using an app. And the members can rent the car for as long or as short as they want to, and are able to basically end the rental wherever they want as long as they're in our service area. Like I said, I've been doing that for about 2 years. I am currently a senior fleet technician, which basically equates to spending time in the field checking on vehicles, while also working on various projects at our corporate office. Well, I look forward to hearing and learning more about all of you through your introductions and through the rest of the course here. Thank you very much.